So, hey guys, welcome back once again my YouTube channel. So, today onwards, I start the new fresh topic C language. So, what is the C language? And in this playlist, I cover all the concept of the C language and also give you some assignments and cover the all the related topic in the C language and much more. So, if you watch my full playlist, you can good in the C language and you can solve any problem in the C language. So hope you enjoy. Let's start. So our today agenda is first we see introduction of C language, history of the C language, where how to how to how to first version of the C language is come to the market and all the things and the features of the C language, which features provided by the C language or why the C language is much popular, which and after then we simply run the hello word in the C language. So so first one, introduction of C language. So C language is the system programming language because it can be used low level programming. What do you mean low level programming? When you some create use some drivers and the kernel levels, just like kernel is the heartbeat of the operating system. So heart with the operating system. So if you want to low level means you want to create some drivers, some operating system and some OS device that is connected to the hardware and all the thing. We need one low level language, and that's why C language is much more popular because this is the one language which provide you to low level programming. And and C language is considered as the mother language of all the modern programming language. So it is also one important point because all the programming language which is existing in the current market, just like C++, Java, C Sharp, and I think Python, also Python, which is all the language related to the C language. So if you learn the C language, then you can easily switch C++, Java, C Sharp, and all the language because it is the backbone of the every language. Here you can see language because the most of the compiler, JVM kernel, all the compiler JVM is used by the Java. So all the compiler JVM are written in the C language. And as earlier said, C language is used to create the low level programming language. So when you need to compile, you create compiler, JVM, all the things which is compile with, yeah, simply say the work with the our processors, yeah, our hard drive. So C language is the best language for creating the low level programming language. So here you can see the examples: C++, Java, C Sharp. All the language is the backbone of the language is the C language. After the history of the C language, C language, C programming language was introduced in 1972 by Daniel Richard. One is the one person which name is Daniel Richard. He introduced the 1972 in the C language. He worked at the Bell Laboratory and the AT and S, the American Telephone and the Telegraphic. He worked at the American Telephone and Telegraphic are located in the US, and here he first launched the C programming language. Why C language introduced by the in the market? Because in the before the C language we have one language which name is B language or BCPL language. There is a lots of problem to overcome in the problem. With the help of C language you can easily remove all the problems. So that's why C language in that particular time 1972 and onwards, the C language is very popular because he removed the many more problems in the B language and BPL language and all the things. The future of the C language is simple. Simple means simply you can say that simple means you can write the code in the very easy manner. And mid-level language, why mid-level language? Because in the C language C language, you can know the high low level language. Low level language means when we create the something is the related to driver, yeah, CPU, yeah, the hardware is known as the low level. But also you can create the high level language. High level language means some sites, some software, some programming things. All the thing is a high level language. So he do both of the thing, low level language as well as high level language. That's why he says that. That's why we call that C language is mid level programming language. Structure programming language. Structure programming language means simply up to down approach is working on the C language. So he did all the structure programming language. Rich library in the C language, much more library. Lots of libraries is available in the C language. That's why he is the rich library are extendable. You can extend the C language anywhere if you want to run the C language in a different system. Suppose, let's suppose you can want run the in the Mac in the operator 30-bit architecture, in the Linux operating architecture, he will work properly. Let's start. And after then, how to run the hello world. So first we need the include studio. This is our first library, because on the earlier say C language has rich library, multiple more lots of library. That's why first we need the include studio. What is the include studio? He is the header studio. Include studio means header studio, where we have printf function, scanf function, all the function and return on all the things. So this is our first program. Here I simply print hello C language. So let's run in the our visual code, so you can better understand how to write the code in the C language and all the things. So let's start. So first I create a one new folder which name is C language. C language. And the C language, I simply open my VS code, write cmd enter code dot and enter, and he automatically code open my VS code. And here is my language, here is my folder C language. In the C language I create some first first class, first folder, yeah, first file. You can say hello dot C. In the C language you can use the extension of the C. In the Python you can use py. In the Java you can use Java and all the things. Just in the, if you are watching my HTML video and CSS video, I use the extension HTML, and the CSS video I use the extension in the CSS. So that's why in the C language we use dot C enter. And here our C language, here I writing our writing the all the C language code. So first we need to include stdio. Here you can see lots of library available in the C language. So I am using stdio. After then int main method is simply where we run the code. After executing the code, the compiler run the main method. In the main method all the code first running the main method. So simply here writing printf. In the printf simply I print the string hello world, and semicolon is also compulsory, and simply return 0. What is return 0 on all the things I cover in the upcoming video, don't worry. Simply it is our hello world code. Let's run it. First we compile it, debug. First we sorry, I simply click here, I simply run it. We don't need to debug, simply run it. I automatically debug it, and after then he print here hello world. So this is all about our hello world. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this, if you enjoy this video, please like this video, and please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. I uploaded the lots of video related to the programming, and lots of I cover HTML, CSS, and all the things you can also watch in my YouTube channel. So that's it for video. I hope I meet you again. Thank you.